Big giant jumbo card Pikachu VMAX, 5 crowns in its booster packs. Hi guys, this is Monday Hoon. Today I have Pikachu VMAX special collection box. This contains 5 crowns in its booster packs and few promo cards. So let's open this and see what we can get.
Pikachu.
So here we have 2 promo cards, Pikachu VMAX and Pikachu V, looking good. And we have big giant jumbo card Pikachu VMAX. Pikachu cards are always great to have. And we have 5 crowns in its booster packs. Let's open this and see what we get. First pack number 1. Okay, Ditto and Jacian Holo. Pack number 2. Reverse Holo and nothing. Pack number 3. Reverse Holo and nothing again. Pack number 4. Holo and no hit again. Final pack, pack number 5. Come on. Reverse Holo, come on. Luxray. Alright guys, so got Ditto and Jacian Holo. That's it. Very disappointing opening, but I will come back with another video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe. Bye guys.